So I like to hold the fish up front here, away from the knife. I start right here because there's a natural opening. I'm only going to use as much as the blade I need to get into the fish without cutting, hopefully, the guts inside. I went between the fins there, and you can see I'm able to get all the way through that wall there. I'm going to come up front. I'm going to move my hand back here. I need to be away from my knife, right? And I'm going to pop here. Now, my knife is securely in my board here. I'm going to hold this end away from this end. And I'm going to pull to hopefully get everything out at one time. And out. Oh, okay. I don't want to pop the sack if I can help it, because I don't want to have anything on my good meat. But occasionally that happens. But this way I get everything out all in one pull. I've got my vein out here, and I'm ready for my next fish. Alright, there's several ways to do it, but this has been the way that I like to do it. And I use this, come here fish, I like to use this method whenever I'm going to take it and then butterfly, I call it, lay it over or under some seasoning, because then I'm able to cook it, and when it's done you're able to just pull the bones right out as one piece and take the skin off and everything.